Hello and welcome. In this video I want to show you a very simple nettle spinach recipe. First we went in the afternoon and collected fresh leaves. Let's start with the preparation. First I fill the nettle in a bowl so that we can pour hot water over them. Pouring hot water over it cleans the leaves and eliminates the stinging hairs so they don't sting anymore. In this way, the mixture of histamine, formic acid and serotonin can no longer act. After a short time, drain the nettles. Meanwhile, I show you the ingredients. Of course, the nettle leaves, something like 500 grams. We need an onion, which is cut into small cubes. We need some cream to taste, butter to saute the onions, and salt and white pepper. Add the butter to the saucepan. Once the butter has melted, add the onions. Then saute the onions until translucent. While the onions are sauteing, I chop the nettle leaves. After the leaves are drained, cut the leaves into small stripes. I always take the leaves whole, including the stalk. Since it is pureed afterwards, you see nothing more of it. Once the onions are nicely glazed, I add the nettles. Add a good pinch of salt and a little white pepper. Now the whole thing has to steam for about 10 minutes. Lower the flame and stir from time to time. After 10 minutes, the nettles should be cooked. The nettles already smell like spinach. Now puree the cooked nettle leaves. Let's go. Looks like spinach and tastes like spinach. Add a little salt. Finally season with the cream. Add as much cream as you like. The potatoes are also ready right way, because there are mashed potatoes and fried egg with it. Taste again. It already tastes very good. Some salt is still missing. The cream was enough. And here is our vitamin-rich dish ready. Nettle spinach with mashed potatoes and fried egg. Yummy! I can really recommend the spinach. I would even say it tastes better than the real spinach. So really, together with mashed potatoes and fried egg, really great. I hope you like the recipe and try it yourself. It's really easy. Feel free to leave comments on how you liked it. Until next time, bye and namaste.